All right, let's check out the greens, y'all. You want your cornbread?
Mary Mac's Tea Room.
Here go my fried chicken. My fried chicken here. I know she like, he didn't order fried chicken. It is catfish, yeah. That look like a chicken wing, don't it? Make sure I don't get hit. Yo, we going in, yo. We going in. We going in. It's the tea room. How you doing? Okay. Look, y'all. Follow her, right? Yo, they had this. Yeah. The Atlanta room. All right, I gotta find my guest. So what you gotta do here, right, is they give you like your own little order sheet, and you write down your appetizers, your entrees, your soup and salad, your veggies, and all of that right here. She bought out an appetizer, y'all, some cornbread, and she bought in some, I forget the name of the juice, from the collard greens that she called it. And she got a little bit of collard green in there. But it's liquid gold, something like that. I'm gonna just take a piece of this cornbread. You want your cornbread?
Taste it.
See, you didn't know what that meant.
You want your cornbread?
You know where that's from?
Who said that?
Let me do this first. Let's check it out. Interesting. This cornbread is not sweet. This is good cornbread. And we want to hear from Raheem though.
Can I get a spoon?
Mm-hmm. That's good cornbread. It's just a tad bit sweet, but it's definitely like corny. All right, let's check out the greens, y'all. These the greens, collard greens.
And then for you, fried catfish, collard greens, and some.
Collard greens good. I got the catfish. Right there is $18.99. I got the turnip greens and the sweet potatoes. Raheem, what'd you think of the cornbread?
It's good.
It's good cornbread, right? It's not that sweet. I don't like sweet. I
right?
like cake, but I don't want my cornbread sweet. It's not sweet at all, y'all.
Not sweet at all.
That's cornbread. Oh, junk, y'all. Here go my fried chicken. My fried chicken here. I know she like, he didn't order fried chicken. It is catfish, yeah. That look like a chicken wing, don't it? Well, Raheem, what you got? The chicken breast?
Chicken
Oh
breast,
my
mac
goodness,
and
he ain't
cheese.
changed over the last 25 years I know him.
Chicken
breast. Chicken breast. Look, I got hush puppies.
For your potato,
You said you forgot my what?
brown sugar.
For what?
Is this brown sugar?
Sweet potato. Yep, it
You
is.
can have that.
I thought I had.
Oh, for my sweet potatoes. Oh, it's a whole sweet potato. Oh, they got a whole sweet potato, y'all. I didn't know that. Yeah, give me some butter. Anything that's not good for me, I want that. Yeah. Look at this, y'all. Y'all, look at this plate. I got the sweet potato. We're going to open that up and check it out, y'all. Here in Atlanta, y'all, at Mary Mac's Tea Room in Atlanta. We about to go in, man. The music's playing in the background, so we're going to have to make this really quick. First thing I'm going into is the catfish, y'all. And I'm going to use my Carolina forks right here because I just cleaned my hands off. I'm good. Look at this catfish, y'all. It looks like it's battered to perfection, man. Look at this. Good batter. The catfish tastes really fresh, and the batter is good. Oh, the batter is really good. It's seasoned right. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on it, but it's seasoned. And it's piping hot. Raheem's over there putting ketchup on his chicken breast. Y'all don't know how cool it is sitting here chilling with my homie, man. I know I don't have him on camera, y'all, but he's just chilling. He's like, let a man eat. Okay, y'all. Next thing I'm going into are the turnip greens. We're not gonna use our Carolina forks for the turnip greens. Okay, here they go, man. Let me let y'all see them. That's them turnip greens right there. Y'all see me eat collards a lot and hardly ever eat the turnips. Look at this. Okay, let's check it out, check it out, check it out. They smell turnipy. Those are good. Chicken breast good. Raheem gave the.
Taste some of that mac and cheese, bro.
Oh, the mac and cheese.
Taste some of that, bro.
Raheem said, "Taste. Look, hold up. Tell us what's going on over here.
Yeah, taste some of this mac and
Take a
cheese.
look at the mac and cheese.
Yes,
All right,
sir,
we're
bro.
gonna get some of that mac and cheese right there, y'all. Look, y'all. Look at that mac and cheese. Oh yeah, I'm gonna just scoop some off, okay? Uh-oh, I'm gonna cut. Uh-oh. Oh, I just took a big piece of cheese, man. I'm sorry. You want that cheese back? I got a thick piece of cheese on there too, y'all. Wow. Raheem said, taste the mac and cheese. That's the mac and cheese right there. Let's check it out. Mm-hmm. That's pretty good. The mac and cheese is good. The next thing we're going for are the hush puppies. We're checking out the hush puppies, y'all. You like hush puppies? That's good. That is really good. These are traditional size. I had those smaller hush puppies at the smokehouse. These are good. And they'll have a hint of sweetness to them too. Only thing I have left to go into is the sweet potato. I thought it was gonna be like sweet potatoes in a little dish or something. There's actually a sweet potato in here. If you thought I was kidding, there's actually a baked sweet potato in here. I think they should have said baked sweet potato. Raheem over there rocking to the music, man, and he is just enjoying himself, yo. Oh, the song, your mom be sitting there listening to these old school tunes. Yeah, you know who my mom used to listen to? Al Green. Let me say since. Wait a minute, is that Al Green? Yeah, since we've been together. But Tina Turner sing that too, though.
She did.
Yep. Yeah. Doom, 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 doom. Love and happiness. Boy, my mom loves her some Al Green. I'm gonna put that butter on there. Brown sugar, that's that brown cake sugar. Baking sugar. I call it baking sugar or this. Let me just mix it up a little bit. Let me turn it like a. Let's check this out. Oh, jump. Y'all see me drop that piece. Y'all know I had to drop something. One thing that I think is interesting about Georgia, you can have a soul food spot like this and there's cross-cultural people come here. Like, unlike if you have a soul food spot in Newark, people ain't coming up from the suburbs to eat at a soul food spot. At least it don't seem that way. I'm sure you always get somebody to come up and check out a restaurant outside of their own neighborhood, you know, but I love the way that I've seen that happening here in Atlanta, Georgia. Oh, that's good. The sweet potato is really good. It is. I should not have put that sugar on it because I'm tasting flavors. It's almost like vanilla is in here. I wonder if they injected these sweet potatoes with like vanilla flavoring. That's just a good sweet potato. So I'm a happy camper. I'm glad we came here. Our brother Raheem over there, he's over there chilling, so I know he's happy we came. This your man, Matt DV, signing off from Mary Mac's Tea Room here in Atlanta, Georgia. Nobody told you they love you today. You hanging with the wrong cats, but you with the right cats now. I love y'all, man. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. Yo, we in Atlanta, yo. I had to meet. He laughing, y'all, because I had to throw the video on. Over here, got my homie, man. This cat know me outside of my family. This cat know me more than anybody else on the planet outside my family, man. Big up, big up, big up, big up.